Hey guys, what is up here? Basically, you know what? That's gonna be my intro for every time like I did the last video. Sorry I had a volume. Guys, that late. Well, really early. And I woke up. And I've been eating. This video is gonna be a show about my dog. And I'll be right back when I have her. So, be right back. Hey guys, this is her. Good little girl. If you like my dog. Right now she's being nice. Look at her. She's showing off a little chippy girl. But she is one. She's 1 year old. Look, smile at the camera. Look up. Good. A girl. She's a good girl. She eats her food. She doesn't poop that much. I don't think you want to know that. Weird, you know. That's my mom in the background. It's okay. Oh my gosh, you're looking at her. Okay. 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 Don't do that. Okay, I'm making a video of my dog. Hey, come back! No! I'll be right back. I'm just kidding. I don't want to bother my dog. I just wanted to show him. Oh my God, my mom found her. She loves dogs. I'm telling you. Yeah. Just saying. Anyways, I'm gonna show you what I been eating today. And I'm sorry I woke up this early. It's like literally 12 o'clock in the morning. So, my bad. I've been eating, just chilling. Look, just chilling. Been hungry. Whatever. Subscribe. Leave a like. I haven't been seeing likes. If you did, you would like that, I would be happy. Not asking for a lot of likes, I'm just asking for one. That's all. Got it, people? Well, send out your names and follow Armani, aka Dan Xenoverse. Basically, my channel, because my mom, I don't have my own phone. I don't know. But soon. By the way, this game is available. So you could buy that game in GameStop, just $20. It depends on where you live. If you live in the, what the heck is that? Oh, blanket. Oh, yeah. Anyways. So, yeah. Whatever. This. Yeah. This one's good. Anyways, yeah. So, nice seeing you guys. Yay. I'll be doing a nice draw the target anyways. The next one's gonna be it's gonna be the draw Brawler and Super Saiyan, Goku, Super Saiyan 2, Goku, Super Saiyan 3, Gohan, Kid, and Gohan Team, and then Vegeta, all those characters, and then I'm gonna be doing a Xenoverse video. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be doing this before Friday for you guys. Sounds nice, isn't it? Yeah. No, it would be. Anyways, thinking I finally have an outro, so yeah. Good night. and shower and subscribe.